Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can use the declared age range API for getting the user's age range in native iOS application. So let's get started. So I'm using Xcode 26. So I have created a Swift UI application. Now unfortunately I won't be able to show you the output because I'm getting this particular error, handle not available error, likely unsupported region or device. So I think this particular API is not supported on all devices. So I'm residing in India, so it is definitely not supported it in India. I have tried it on the simulator, I have tried it on real device, and I have also tried it changing the scheme as well while running it on the simulator. So here you can see I have set it as New York, USA, but still it is not taking that effect. But anyways, I'll just show you the how to use it. So here you can import it, declared age range. Then here you have to use this environment variables. If you are using UIKit, I'll show you one sample as well on how to use with UIKit. And as soon as this application starts, here you can see we are using this doing this request age range helper, calling this particular method, and here you define multiple age ranges if you want. I'm just checking for 16. If you want to add multiple age range, here you can see this is an example. You can do something like this. So this is an example of UIKit if you are using UIKit. Okay, now if the lower bound is 16, so 16 and up, then we get show content as true. And once this value is true, maybe you can just change this UI. Maybe you want to display some kind of a content which only adults can see. Depending on this show content variable, you can change this particular thing inside your application. And obviously you won't get the exact age of the user, that is for privacy sake. So that's why Apple have made something like this. And here if you want, you can get the age declaration as well. Now there is something called active parental controls communication limit. I don't really understand, but I have kept it in case if someone is interested. In case if user declines sharing, we print it. And in case if there is a default use case, again I just say decline to share. And these are all the exception handlings which I am doing. Okay, like I said, this is the error which I'm getting, unfortunately. And if you are interested for UIKit, you can watch this particular, you can refer this particular documentation as well. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. Bye.